Customer maintenance is used to set up and update information for all customer accounts that will be sent invoices or regular cash receipts. To enter information for a customer account, click the Customers module and select the Customer Maintenance menu item. The following window will appear. If you are adding a new customer, click the New button. Enter a unique customer code with a maximum of 8 characters. Then, enter the customer's name and status. In the General tab, add general contact information and select the customer type. To add a specific contact, click in the Contacts grid. In the Accounting tab, enter the Federal Tax Identification Number. Mark taxable if the customer is taxable for sales tax purposes. You can also enter a default number of days before an invoice is due. There is a Notes tab to make additional comments. The History tab shows a transaction history and current balance. When you have finished adding all information, click the Save button. If you are making changes to an existing customer account, use the search screen to find the customer and make any changes. Then, click the Save button. If you are making changes to multiple accounts, you can use the navigation buttons to move to the next account on the search list. If you need to delete a customer, select them from the list and click the Delete button. However, a customer cannot be deleted if the account is currently being used by the system. To indicate you no longer need to post invoices for them, mark their status as inactive.
You are now working smarter with ProFund Accounting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.